Hi, it's me again. Remember the last time we learnt about clock and hour? Alright, let's see how much you remember. This is an analog clock with the clock face is highlighted. The numbers on the clock face represent the hours. And the two hands. The shorter hand is called the hour hand. The longer hand is called the minute hand. Both two hands spin in the same direction, which is called clockwise. When the longer hand or the minute hand is pointing to the number 12 and the shorter hand or the hour hand is pointing to one of the hour numbers, we call this o'clock. Great! Let's practice some more. What time is it? Perfect! It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? Excellent! It's 10 o'clock. You're fast. Let's see, how about this? What time is it? Wonderful! It's 12 o'clock. This is Tom. He is a student, just like you. Every day, he wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. He has breakfast at 7 o'clock. Then, he goes to school at 8 o'clock. He plays football with his friends after school at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. He takes a bath at 6 o'clock in the evening. He has dinner at 7 o'clock. Then he does homework at 8 o'clock. Later, he brushes his teeth and goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Let's see how much you can remember about Tom and his routine. What time does Tom play football with his friends? Good job! He plays football with his friends at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What time does Tom wake up? That's fast! Tom wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. What time does Tom do homework? Great! He does homework at 8 o'clock in the evening. I can see you're very good at telling the time now. Good job, everyone. Stay tuned till the next time we meet. Bye!